Rising moons, everyone. I almost said bright suns, but it's nighttime. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brad Hughes. This is Tom Oakery. And what are we doing?
Savi's. We're building a lightsaber.
You're building a lightsaber.
I'm building a lightsaber.
Do you know which one you're going to go with?
Yes.
Yet? What are you going with?
Elemental Nature.
This is your second Savi
My
saber?
second Savi saber. This one I'm building with my wife in mind.
Nice.
So when we cosplay and come to Galaxy's Edge,
She'll
she
give
can have
it
a
a
saber of her own.
Nice, very cool. So this is because they're going away from the current stuff.
Yeah.
So if you guys didn't hear at Star Wars Celebration, they did announce that all of the Savi's different types of sabers, I forget what you call them, the groupings of options, whatever. Scrap metal pieces are getting refreshed. So this is a good time to grab them now. They said it's coming sooner than later. The only one they did show was the power and control, and it looks sick. It's right here. That's what it looks like. It's in the video. But let's go watch Tom build his lightsaber. Do you know what kyber crystal you're going to go with?
I do, but let's save it for a surprise.
Ooh, I'm going to bet. Don't say it. Don't react. I'm going to say you're going with purple.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome, and thank you for finding your way with us. Now I know all of this, frankly, is a lot to take in, but to us, it's everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good, very good. I am called Kembe. Now to your eyes, this may look like a room filled with a bunch of old junk, so allow me to clarify. Some of it's new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes? Yes. Now, my friends, by this point, I'm assuming that you're all rather familiar with the legends of Luke Skywalker. We hear there is another. A new Jedi. Who knows her name? Rey. Yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been looking for. And that, my friends, is why we're here tonight. To look ahead into the future and to build this. A lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. And the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. And tonight, you will feel that connection. Now enough babbling, let's get busy. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Now some say that the kyber crystal is the very heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. Now this you may already know from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and, of course, Rey. 3. The crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your kyber crystals. My friends, close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done. Left edge of your legs. Look. There we go. Now you will start working on the hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. And the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating. In these boxes are the aspects that you've already selected. You'll find the chassis, activation plates, grid, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you selected your crystal, you can now choose each and all aspects of design that make your saber unique. Should you have questions or if you face obstacles, the gatherers are here to help. All you need to do is ask. Now, let's go.
Alright, so my friends, my name is Corey. I'm your guide today, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our chassis. Go ahead and grab your chassis. Alright, these windows right here, you face the top. So if you're holding this in, hold it here. Hold upside down. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to put our kyber crystals. So, we're going to put this crystal in first. So, top in first. It's marbles. Kind of like a little battery.
I do like green.
Do you have green?
I have a green kyber at home, yeah. I have all the colors at home, yeah. Except black.
I have a 3 of them. I just turned it down.
I know. It's still, I want one to display.
Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to choose the set of activation clips and alright, go ahead and test that switch. Alright, so
Beautiful.
go ahead and choose 2 of the 4 grips and then you're going to place those 2 that you want right here.
2 of the 4, okay.
You need 2 out of 4.
So if I want to go more wood, what do you think? You like this piece?
It's your saber.
I know, I don't. This one actually.
I don't know which one you want on top and which one you want on bottom. Nope. So now what you're going to do is push together and twist like you're wringing out a rag.
Okay.
You see it tight. Not too tight. After that, you're going to choose an emitter out of number 3 and put it on top.
Yep.
Alright, so top and bottom.
Oh, that swears. Damn. I love this. Okay. Oh, damn. I think I'm going to take my wife's saber and she's going to give her mine. Oh, that down here? Did he say put it on yet?
Now you're going to choose a pommel cap to go on the bottom. Now pull it down and you're going to
Damn. That does look cool.
a lot.
A lot don't? Really?
Alright, may I see it?
Yes, you say.
So last little check. Alright, Kimbe's going to say come forward and activate. You're going to swipe that switch forward just like that, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm going to fix this wrinkle or two.
Oh, my bad.
That line correct. We wouldn't want any mishaps, right?
I don't know.
So, I want to leave the power in your hands, my friend. May it guide you. Congratulations.
Perfect.
Well done. Well done indeed. You completed your hilts. Now, let's keep moving. Trust us. Leave them exactly where they sit on the the stations before you. Everyone, take a deep breath and a step back. Gatherers to business. The gatherers are now stabilizing your chosen crystals within these completed hills for their very first activation. Now this is the only activity in which you yourselves take no part. You must be completely and thoroughly trained. I promise you, my friends, the time is coming. Now we move ahead to the final piece of business that
With many punch you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joining. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take our first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between saber and builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward, place your hand upon the hilt of your completed lightsaber, and when I give the command, you will for the first time activate your blades. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward, and on my mark, activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you, you too can change the galaxy.
Nobody picked red.
Remember, it only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough as to momentarily deactivate and lower your blades.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the floor. In order to keep what you have just crafted free from harm, we are pleased to grant you a saber sheath as you depart. Now, our time together is at an end. Your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the blade you hold. And perhaps next time we shall tell your stories. Raise and activate your lightsaber. Journey well and journey wide, my friends. Till the spire. Till the spire.
So you know what's funny? That is like the one lightsaber that I thought I didn't like until you made that one, and it looks
This is
arguably the
gorgeous.
best.
This
It's
is
arguably the
fucking
best one I've
gorgeous.
seen. It looks
Yeah,
amazing.
let's see if we can get it in the light. This was
amazing.
the way this came together was just absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, it's such a good experience.
Yeah.
And I like that the experience hasn't changed since I did it before even opening day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you on the next video. Until then, stay safe. May the Force be with you.
Always. Rise, Jedi Knight!